Hi friends, welcome back a new video. At your request I have bought an unboxing video. Mobile link in the description.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
This phone comes with 3GB RAM plus 32GB internal storage and was 5000 battery. It comes with 6.22-inch HD plus screen. It also has 13 plus 2 megapixel camera in back and 8 megapixel camera. It also has a Snapdragon 439. It has Gorilla Glass 5. This is how phone look from back and front. This are some pictures taken from this mobile in outdoor and indoor condition. It has dual SIM plus dedicated micro SD card. Now let's talk about my face reveal. This is my face. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Where are you going? There is a small killing montage.